With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtnut. Now the question is, we have to find the range of rational expression y is equal to x square minus x plus 4 upon x square plus x plus 4 when x is real. So the expression is y is equal to x square minus x plus 4 upon x square plus x plus 4. We have to find the range of this expression, and the condition is x should be real. Now we cross multiply here, so we get y into x square plus x plus 4 is equal to x square minus x plus 4. Now we open the bracket, so this will become y x square plus xy plus 4 into y is equal to x square minus x plus 4. Now in the next step we take all these terms towards left hand side, so we can write this is x square y plus x square. When we take left hand side, so this will become minus x square plus xy, and minus x will become plus x plus 4y, and plus 4 will become minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we make a quadratic equation in x. So in these two term we take common x square, so it will become y minus 1 into x square, plus in these two term we take common x, so this will become y plus 1 into x, plus here we take common 4, so we get y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in x, and in above question it is given that x should be real. So we assume a quadratic equation, and that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a general quadratic equation in x, and if x is real, so we talk about discriminant, and discriminant is what? For this quadratic equation we can write discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, and if x is real, so discriminant d should be greater than or equal to 0, means b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we use this condition here in this question. So if we compare this equation by general form of quadratic equation, so we get a is equal to y minus 1, b is equal to y plus 1, and b is equal to y plus 1, c is equal to 4 into y minus 1. Now condition is discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0, means b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. b is what? Y plus 1, so this will become y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a is what? Y minus 1, and c is what? 4 into y minus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. Now in the next step we open the square, so this will become y square plus 1 plus 2y minus we can write 4 into 4, that is 16, y minus 1 whole square. So if we open this, so we can write y square plus 1 minus 2y should be greater than or equal to 0. Now in the next step we can write this is y square plus 1 plus 2y minus, we open the bracket, so this will become 16y square minus 16 into 1, this is minus 16, and minus 16 into minus 2y, this is plus 32y should be greater than or equal to 0. Now in the next step, minus 16y square plus 1y square, that is minus 15y square, plus 32y plus 2y, that is plus 34y, and minus 16 plus 1, this is minus 15, should be greater than or equal to 0. Now here we can see that the coefficient of y square is negative, so we multiply this whole inequality by minus 1. So it will become 15y square minus 34y plus 15, and we know that if we multiply in any equality by minus 1, so inequality sign will be changed. So this sign greater than or equal to change into less than or equal to 0. Now we factor this quadratic equation. So here we can see that coefficient of y square is 15 and the constant term is what, 15. So 15 into 15, that is 225. Now we have to factorize 225 in two parts, means if we multiply these two factors, so we get 225, and if we add these two factors, so we get 34. So the factor is what, 25 and 9, 34. Now in the next step we can write this is 15y square minus 34. At the place of 34 we write 25 plus 9 into y plus 15 less than or equal to 0. Now in the next step we can write 15y square minus, open the bracket, so this is 25y minus 9y plus 15 less than or equal to 0. Now in the next step we can write, in these two terms we take common 5y, so this is what, 3y minus 5, minus here we take common 3, so we get 3y minus 5 less than or equal to 0. Now we take common 3y minus 5, so we get 5y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Now to solve this inequality we plot a number line. Suppose this is our number line, and if we equate 3y minus 5 equal to 0, so we get y is equal to 5 by 3, and if we equate 5y minus 3 is equal to 0, so we get y is equal to 3 by 5. So we plot these two value on number line. So suppose this is our 3 by 5 and here this is 5 by 3. Now this term is what, infinite, and here suppose this is the term minus infinite. So from region 5 by 3 to infinite, this is positive region, 3 by 5 to 5 by 3, this is negative region, and minus infinite to 3 by 5, this is positive region. Now here we can see that the inequality sign is less than or equal to, means we select negative region. So y belongs to, we can write 3 by 5 to 5 by 3. Here we use at 3 by 5 and 5 by 3 close interval, because here inequality sign is what, less than or equal to. So that's why we open close interval, and this is our final answer. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.